Nan Simonson. Are you up for no-bake German chocolate cake cookies? Well, they're not quite a cakey cookie, and they're not quite even a cookie. But let me show you what goes into them, and you'll see that nothing could be easier than this. By the way, I'm a whole food, plant-based culinary trainer as well as health and wellness coach. That book back there, Aging Powerfully, I wrote 3 years ago when I turned 70 to say to you, because I work with lifestyle as medicine. I'm looking for my pockets. That with lifestyle as medicine, doing the things, well, that I write about, that the College of Lifestyle Medicine talks about, we can age powerfully. One of those things is eating as many plants, a plant-centered, plant-based, for me, going on 6-year plant-exclusive diet. And this is an example of how good it can be. So I have 4 ingredients. I have dates, whoops. All right. I have dates, and these are medjool dates, a cup of them. I sort of chopped them a little bit, measured them. It's a cup. That's almost a pound, not quite a pound, but I have toasted, and I just put them in my Breville oven, some pecans and coconut. Already you can see this is German chocolate cake. What is a German chocolate cake? Coconut, pecans, chocolate. What makes the chocolate here? It's just cocoa. And we whir it up in the blender. That's it. It's going to be noisy for a minute, sorry. Is it on? Yes. Now, in just a second, this is going to start sticking together. Let me make sure that nothing's sticking to the sides. Nope, we're good. One more time. Now, what does it look like? It looks like something that I could make into, little health gems. As a matter of fact, you can buy these by the bag at a lot of stores. Get this out of the way. I could use, a date escaped me. I could use a small ice cream scoop. I'm just going to use a tablespoon. I'm putting these on a cookie sheet. And I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to set up. I'm not going to keep you watching and waiting. I'm making them relatively small and pressing them as I go. Look at the mixture. Oh, this is right in your way. I'm sorry. There. Look. Okay. Pressing them as I go and forming them into little bitty cookies. I'm going to, as I said, refrigerate them for an hour. Okay, and that's it. I'll show you how many I get. You'll see a picture at the end. That's it. German chocolate cake cookies or treats. Hope you like this. It was certainly fast enough. think the product itself will speak for itself. Have a great day. I know I'm going to. Bye-bye.